Are you tired of your CV blending in with the rest of the stack? Let's dive headfirst into an essential element that will make your CV leap off the page: achievements. Get ready to unlock the secrets of crafting a CV that will catch an employer's attention and set you up for success. Subscribe to CVMaker today so you don't miss out on any of our valuable career advice. Picture this. You're a hiring manager reviewing a stack of CVs. What catches your eye? It's not the fancy font or colourful sections. You want to see candidates who have gone above and beyond their daily duties. You want to see achievements that set them apart from the rest. It's not only about what you did, but also what you achieved. Now you know why they are important. Let's clarify what they are. Achievements are key, measurable outcomes for each job. Accomplishments, on the other hand, are what you have accomplished throughout your career. Awards? Well, those speak for themselves. We've ticked off the what and the why. Next is how to actually list achievements on your CV. Depending on your level of experience and career goals, choosing what is most relevant to your situation and how to best display your achievements is what can make your CV stand out. You can even create separate sections if you have several achievements to highlight. Don't forget about projects, tasks, and completed training that can be turned into achievements. This section of your CV is like a shiny badge of recognition. If you identified and acquired 30 plus new local outlets and boosted sales by 30% for 3 consecutive months, add it to your sales CV. Did you win the British Business Excellence Award at Lloyds Bank London? Make room for it on your finance CV. What about the time that you talked your way out of a potential disaster with some quick thinking and improvisation and ended up saving the day when your project didn't quite go to plan? Then add it to your project manager CV. Your achievements are unique to you. Be proud of what you have accomplished, whether you are just starting out in your career or have years of experience. It's all about finding the right balance between relevance and showcasing your capabilities and ambitions. If you want more tips on creating an epic CV, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time, happy job hunting.